Okay, three two-digit numbers AB, CD, and AD are such that AB squared plus CD squared is equal to AD squared. Find the minimum value of the four-digit number ABCD. Therefore, I think from this equation, we can actually write it in this way. That means the two-digit AB is actually 10A plus B. And then you square, and this is actually 10C plus D. And then after that, you square. All right. And then this is just equal to 10A plus D squared. Okay, expand out. You can expand out. Then 100 squared, 100A squared plus 20 AB, right? And then plus your B squared, and then plus 100 C squared, and then plus 20 CD plus D squared. And this is just equal to 100 A squared plus 20 AD plus D squared. Then in this case, you can see cancellation. That means in this case, 100 A squared and 100 A squared cancel, and your D squared and your D squared cancel. All right. Therefore, what is left here is 20 AB plus B squared plus 100 C squared, right? And then plus 20 CD is equal to 20 AD. And you can see that this term is a multiple of 10. A multiple of 10. This term is a multiple of 10. And this term is a multiple of 10. And this term is also a multiple of 10. Therefore, in this case, can you see that B squared is a multiple of 10? Right? And in order for B squared to be a multiple of 10, this implies that B is a multiple of 10. Or B is a multiple of 10. Or in mathematical notation, we say that 10 divides B. But don't forget, B is unit digit number. It's a unit digit, right? Unit digit cannot be more than 10. Therefore, in this case, your B has to be 0. Or your B has to be 0. And if your B is 0, what does it mean? That means in this case, this part here becomes 0. Therefore, left hand side, you are left with 100 C squared, and then plus 20 CD, and this is just equal to 20 AD. All right. And then you divide by 20, you get 5C squared plus CD, and then this would be just equal to AD. Now this would be just equal to AD, right? And obviously, can you see that your C squared has to be positive, right? C squared has to be positive, right? And in this case, obviously, your D must also be positive. Your D must also be positive. Therefore, I can write C squared is actually equal to D and then multiplied by A minus C. That means A minus C. Therefore, again, C squared is positive, and then your D is positive. Therefore, A minus C must be positive. A minus C must be positive. Therefore, your A is actually greater than C. Therefore, next we can actually do a case study. That means case number 1. Case number 1, if your D is not equal to 5. That means this D is not equal to 5. What does it mean? That means 5 must divide AC. But don't forget, A and C are unit digit. Therefore, in this case, A minus C must be equal to 5. And in that case, this also implies that your D is actually equal to C squared. All right. And okay, now you have this relationship, A minus C equal to 5. Therefore, I can now split it into C equal to 1. Then your A will be just equal to 6. Your A will be just equal to 6. Right? And in that case, can you see that your D, which is actually equal to C squared, will be just equal to 1. All right. And then if your C is 2, Then your A has to be 7. And then your D, yeah, don't forget your D is equal to C squared. Therefore, this is equal to 4. And then when your C is equal to 3, the A will be just equal to 8. And then your D will be just equal to 9. We don't need to consider C equal to 4 because after that you square, D will be 16. Not possible. Therefore, now we conclude this result. CAD, the three numbers here, CAD, what do you get? You basically get 1, 6, and 1. The other one is actually 2, 7, and 4. And then this is actually equal, the next number is 3, 8, and 9, or 3, 8, and 9. Okay, then the second case, if your D is equal to 5. If your D equal to 5, that means your 5C squared is equal to 5A minus C. Alright, then in this case, your C squared will be just equal to A minus C. And then your A is actually C squared plus C. Alright, then again, we look at this. If your C is 1, then your A will be just 1 plus 1, that will be 2. If your C is 2, then in this case, A will be just equal to 2 squared plus 2, and that will be 6. C cannot be 3. That will give you 9 plus 3, 12. Not possible. Therefore, in this case, now your C and A, the value is actually 1, 2, right? And then the other one is 2, 6. The other one is 2, 6. But can you see that we are trying to form a 4-digit number, A, B, C, D, such that it is the minimum. Therefore, A has to be minimum, right? A has to be minimum. Therefore, you look at it. You look at it in this way. A, the minimum value is actually 2, because 6, 7, 8, and then 2, right? Therefore, the minimum A, the answer is 2. And then B is actually 0. And C, obviously, the minimum is 1, right? And then in this case, you look at D. D originally, because you see, in order for C to get 1, the assumption is that D is equal to 5, or D is equal to 5. Therefore, minimum, the 4-digit number A, B, C, D, this 4-digit number is actually 2015, and that is the answer. All right.